All right, this is what's considered a schoolie, an old school bus. You can see from the yellow paint inside. And so this is a customer that wants to rent it out, like I said, and wants to use it and travel. So he had an idea of what he wanted. He wanted kind of like a cabin feel to it. Wanted to be able to sleep with bunk beds and beds that pull out and have benches that they can sit at that make into beds. So this one came in with nothing but school bus seats and that old gray nasty floor and the painted aluminum walls. And so this is the front seats. What's cool is this table pops down and makes into a bed. So this is a dinette, but also makes into a bed for a small kid. We were able to sneak some granite countertop in here as well. Bunk beds, which is cool. And then also this right here is a bench that we built. So it acts as a bench so you can sit with seatbelts, and it also pulls into a bed as well. So did all the wood inside, AC, lights, bathroom.
This would be fun for us, right?
Which, I mean, you're literally seeing people take box trucks. We've done box trucks that we've converted into something like this that, you know, people using nice woods, mahoganies and walnuts, and you'd walk into a box truck and think you're in a limo. Yeah, we put a battery bank of like 6, and we did an inverter. So basically you hit a switch here and his refrigerator and the TVs will work while you're driving. So you have 110 power. So it keeps everything cold because he doesn't have a solar system. So that's a neat deal. But yeah, everything he needs to hit the road and be free.